Tired of playing phone tag just to book appointments? Let's ditch the back and forth and get your Vagaro booking system hooked up to Instagram so clients can book appointments straight from your profile. First, you'll need to make sure you have a Vagaro account and an Instagram business profile. If you don't have a business profile, switch your personal account in your Instagram settings. This is super important. Now, head over to your Instagram profile and tap on the Edit Profile button. On the Edit Profile screen, find and select Action buttons. If you don't see it, make sure your account is set up as a business. Here, you'll see a list of available booking services. Look for Vagaro and tap on it. Instagram will then prompt you to log into your Vagaro account. Go ahead and enter your Vagaro credentials. Next, you can choose which of your Vagaro services you want to display on your Instagram profile. Select the services you want to offer, or you can just select all of them. And there you have it. Once you've connected Vagaro and selected your services, a Book Now button will appear on your Instagram profile. When clients tap that button, they'll be taken directly to your Vagaro booking page, where they can select a service, date, and time. This seamless integration streamlines the booking process, saves you time, and boosts your business's visibility. It's a win-win. Now go out there and get those bookings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more social media marketing tips.